So this is the last video for this year, and I'm here to thank all of you who subscribed to my channel and who supported on my Patreon. I am very much excited for the coming up year. There will be a lot of changes, there will be a lot of surprises. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. And lastly, I want to wish you a very happy holidays and a very happy new year. I will definitely see you with a brand new tutorial very soon. Until then, you guys take care, be creative and stay safe. Bye bye.